Hi friends, today we'll discuss again a very common remedy taught to us in our college, very precisely seen with our seniors, heard from in various seminars, and this again a very important remedy. In our clinic we use this remedy day in and day out. What a wonderful remedy, and in proving there are thousands of symptoms in the materia medica. The remedy which I am talking about is calcarea carb. Now, the characteristic symptoms of calcarea carb that one has to keep in mind, right from head to foot. And the first symptom is in calcarea carb, the head is large and the fontanelles do not close, or you can say the fontanelles remain open for a long time. So, large head, the fontanelles remain open for a long time. That's calcarea carb, a very important indication of calcarea carb. Second, itching of the scalp. And the itching of the scalp of calcarea carb is the child will scratch their head when they're in sleep. Have you ever seen the mother complaining about the child कि सर ये रात को बहुत खुजाता है, ये बहुत खुजली आती है? That is a symptom of calcarea carb. That is, the child will itch in their sleep and they are awakened because of that, because of the itching. Normally we think maybe it is lice, but no. That is symptom of calcarea carb. That is, when in sleep they itch is disturbed because of that, or they are awakened because of it. Itching of the scalp. Next, as we move further in children's, in teeth in children's. Lots and lots of remedies for dentational problem, dentational diarrhea, eliminate from dentation. One of them is calcarea carb also. In calcarea carb, in teeth in children's, milk disagrees and it is vomited out in curds. दही के समान दिखता है, आपने दही कभी खाया होगा, that is vomited out in curds, or passes the bowel in the same manner. Means whenever the patient eats, the child eats, it passes in the stools in the same manner. You can have curdled diarrhea also then. So it is given in difficult first dentation. Now the taste. There is sore taste in the mouth or of the food, sore vomiting. Sore vomiting. Sore is important. Especially during dentation, there is also sour diarrhea. That is important. Sour diarrhea. And the pit of the stomach of a calcarea carb patient is like a saucer, inverted saucer, or you can say like a saucer turned bottom size up. Inverted saucer, and there is a strong craving for eggs. And the menses for several days, too early and copious. And slightest mental effort, slightest mental stress brings on the menstrual flow, that is calcarea carb. Now rheumatism, a very important remedy for chronic rheumatism. Chronic rheumatism and other troubles caused by working in water. So if a calcarea carb, if a prescribing for rheumatism, tell the patient not to work too much in the water, but because that will be the aggravating factor in calcarea carb. So chronic rheumatism. Next, this calcarea carb patient, as the patient is chilly in its thermal, feel constantly cold and damp. Always feeling cold and damp, as if she had on cold damp stockings. मतलब उसने stockings पहना ठंडा, that is calcarea carb. It is so cold and damp. And tendency in children's, in young persons to grow very fat. So if you have a case where the patient comes and tells you, sir, she was very lean and thin when she was in 10th class, suddenly her weight increased. Then you might think of a remedy calcarea carb, where the patient basically has a tendency for a young people to grow very fast. Of course, so calcarea carb is a chilly remedy, so very sensitive to the least cold air. This least cold air is important, which grows right through her. It is so sensitive that it goes right through her, that is calcarea carb. And the calcarea carb patient is weak and sick for several days after coition. That is also important. Very weak and very sick several days after an act or after a question, that is Kal-Ki-Rakab. And the constitution of Kal-Ki-Rakab, everybody knows by heart, that is especially indicated in fair, plump children's, those of a leukophlegmatic temperament. This is a very short, a very concise, about 12 to 13 symptoms of Kal-Ki-Rakab that you have to remember in order to remember this remedy in total. Of course, each system has lot of symptoms, lot of important indication. As a whole, I tried to cover the important and the characteristic symptoms of Kal-Ki-Rakab. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.